Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Hope all are doing good. This is my very first video on YouTube. Myself Krupali Dhede. I am a homeopathic student. Basically, I'll be discussing homeopathic drug pictures on my channel to make the drug picture more interesting. So, today I am going to discuss the remedy Camphora officinalis. It is one of the rapidly acting and short acting medicines requires very frequent repetition. Camphora is the universal antidote to the medicines prepared from vegetable kingdom. It is an acute remedy. Its common name is camphor, family Lauriaceae, prover Dr. Hahnemann, miasm sora in the background, thermals the patient is very chilly, temperament irritable. Let's see the constitution of the person. There is no particular makeup of the body as such, but it is specially suited to the persons who are exceedingly sensitive to cold air, persons physically and mentally very weak. After few stool, face looks like Hippocratic faces. Pathogenesis of camphora. It does not create much dehydration either by stool or by vomiting or by sweat. It also causes delirium, stupor, with epileptiform convulsions. Collapse condition is due to circulatory failure. Just note a point, the action of this drug is puzzling and difficult even in the healthy organism because its primary action very frequently alternates and becomes intermixed with the vital reaction of the organism. It means that the primary action of the medicine and the vital reaction of the organism gets intermixed and we cannot understand what are these two different symptoms. It is difficult to differentiate between them. Sphere of action. Mainly, this drug acts upon digestive system, kidneys, and cerebrospinal nerves. What are the ailments? Shock, injury, suppressed eruptions, cold air. What are the mental generals? You must be thinking, what are these question marks? It means the patient feels better when he thinks about his existing ailments. This symptom can be compared with Helleborus niger. The second mental general is memory loss. Awkwardness. Here, the awkwardness can be compared with Apis mellifica, Natrum mur, and Bovista. He also thinks that he could die. The patient has an impulse to jump out of the bed and jump out of the window. There are more mental generals like weeping and crying does not know why, hasty in action and speech, dread of being alone in dark. Now what are the physical generals? The patient is very chilly patient, very much sensitive to cold air. How is the sleep of the patient? The patient has insomnia, that means sleeplessness which alternates with coma, and he has aversion to potatoes, tobacco, smoking his accustomed desire for beer, which ameliorates the toothache, sweat is calmy and cold perspiration, desire to be uncovered, dreams are enormous, anxious of death, frightful, thirst, insatiable burning thirst, not quenched by incredible quantities of cold water. What is the side effect of camphora? The affected sides are both left and right. General modalities. It is aggravated by motion at night and by cold air. Ameliorated when thinking of his existing complaints. And warmth. Now let's move towards the physical particulars. First we will see the head complaints. Influenza, headache with catarrhal symptoms. vertigo, tendency to unconsciousness. Also, he feels as if he would die. Fleeting stitches in the temporal region and orbits. Occipital throbbing, synchronous with the pulse. What are the eye complaints? Pupils are dilated. Sensation as if all objects were too bright and glittering. Nose complaints, nose cold and pinched, fluent coryza on sudden change of weather, persistent epistaxis, especially with goose flesh state of skin. Now, how is the face of this patient? Face is pale, anxious, and bluish cold. Tongue is cold, flabby, and trembling. Stomach complaints, pressive pain in the pit of the stomach, coldness followed by burning. Stools are rice watery stools, blackish in color, involuntary. Also, cramps in calves, which can be compared with cuprum metallicum. Stools are scanty with pain. Urinary complaints, burning and strangury with tenesmus of neck of the bladder. Also, retention with full bladder. What are the male complaints? Here, the desire is increased. It can be prescribed for priapism, which means painful eructations. Priapism can be compared with cantharis. Also, nocturnal emissions, respiratory complaints, precordial distress, violent, dry, hacking cough, extremities, rheumatic pain between the shoulders, numbness, tingling and coldness, cracking in joints, cramp in calves. How is the fever of camphora patient? During fever, the pulse is small, weak, and slow. Icy coldness of the whole body, cold perspiration, congestive chill is seen. The skin of the patient is cold and pale, cannot bear to be covered. Clinical indications. After surgery, if temperature is subnormal, low BP, 3 doses of camphora 1x at 15-minute intervals. It can be given as a heart stimulant for emergency use. Also, in first stages of cold with chilliness and sneezing. There are more clinical indications in cholera asiatica, measles, suppressed eruptions, hyperpyrexia, memory loss, rheumatism, priapism, epilepsy, and cordy. Let's see the remedy relationship of camphora. It is incompatible to Kali-nitricum, complementary to cantharis. It antidotes opium, phosphorus, and can be compared with carbovege, cuprum metallicum, veratrum album, and arsenicum album. Dose in which camphora should be prescribed. Tincture in drop doses, repeated frequently, or smelling of spirits of camphor. Potencies are equally effective. Hope so guys you have liked my lecture. Please do mention in the comment box. Also like, share and subscribe. Thank you.